Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a fascinating stock, SERV. I'll be breaking down everything you need to know about SERV stock, from its recent performance to what you can expect moving forward. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about SERV as a company. SERV, officially known as company full name, operates in the industry/sector. The company is known for brief description of what the company does and its market position. Over the past few years, SERV has mentioned any significant achievements, changes, or developments. Now, let's look at SERV's recent performance. As of current date or last financial report, SERV stock is trading at current stock price. Over the past time period, the stock has mentioned any significant price movements or trends. For instance, in the last quarter, SERV stock saw a percentage increase/decrease due to reasons behind the movement, e.g., earnings report, market conditions, news events. When it comes to financial health, SERV has been described the financial health, e.g., showing strong growth, facing challenges. Key financial metrics to look at include revenue, net income, earnings per share, EPS, debt levels. For example, SERV reported mention key financial figures from the latest earnings report. These numbers suggest, analyze what the numbers indicate about the company's financial position. Looking ahead, what's in store for SERV? Analysts have been described the general sentiment from analysts and experts, e.g., optimistic, cautious. Factors that could influence SERV's future performance include industry trends, upcoming product launches, regulatory changes. If SERV can mention any strategic moves the company is making, it could describe potential outcomes or benefits. So, is SERV a good investment? It really depends on your personal investment strategy and risk tolerance. If you believe in SERV's industry or specific aspects of SERV's business, this stock might be worth considering. However, always make sure to do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That's it for today's video on SERV stock. I hope you found this analysis helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts on SERV in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more stock analyses and investment tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. 777-8888